This is the largest construction site in all of Asia. The mighty construction site that is the Xiong'an New Area. Since its groundbreaking in April 2017, this behemoth has employed over 200,000 workers and mobilized a staggering fleet of 2,500 cranes, operating tirelessly around the clock in an awe-inspiring display of unyielding progress. With a mind-boggling investment surpassing 30 trillion yuan, this monumental undertaking is more than just a mere testament to infrastructure development. It's a testament to a nation's unwavering commitment to forging its destiny. The Xiong'an New Area is not just about economic expansion. It's a bold statement, a blueprint for the cities of tomorrow, a vision that transcends the boundaries of time and space. Amidst the glow of 1,000 construction lights and the hum of machinery, this ambitious venture has provided employment opportunities for over 200,000 eager individuals, igniting hopes and dreams for a better future. As the year 2023 ushers in a new wave of groundbreaking projects, a staggering 43 ambitious initiatives spring to life, underscoring China's relentless dedication to progress. In a relentless pursuit of growth, China continues to build, embodying a legacy that dates back to the indomitable spirit of the ancient builders of the Great Wall over 5,000 years ago.